I will take away from this experience, a sense of being, a sense of belonging. I feel like it's really nice to be connected within your own community, to see how like people from very diverse black backgrounds, and how we're able to support each other. So it really like made me feel welcomed. And for those of you who are thinking of participating in this program, 100% you should. I think it's amazing. This is something that isn't common. Like, you don't really see this. We don't really have something that we can say is our own as black individuals. So I feel like this is a great way for us to connect and really get to know each other. And the way I'll describe this whole experience is just eye-opening. Like, it was just absolutely amazing. The people, the way everything was delivered, it really resonated with me in a way that is rare. So, it's not every day you feel this type of experience, or I personally, I've never really felt this type of way. So this is definitely something that, I will take away and remember for as long as I live.